In the previous video, we have seen how we use the macro recorder, and second topic is how we create a simple macro. In this video, we will see how we will insert this macro in any of the toolbar. See this, in the previous slide, in the previous video, we have created one macro. Its name is multiply 3. So that macro I want to add in a standard toolbar. So for that, what we have to do, go to the tools menu and then select customize option. Once you click on customize, from here you have to select toolbars tab. From here you have to select your toolbar, in which toolbar you want to insert your macro. So I want to insert my macro in the standard toolbar. So select this standard toolbar and then click on add button and select your macro. From the last option, that is called open office macros, then use macros. In this you will get standard option. Inside this, there is a macro name, it's called multiply 3. Now select this macro and then click on add button. Once you click on add, close this add command dialog box and then click on OK. Now see here, the multiply 3 name is appeared and then click on OK. You see this multiply 3 macro is appeared in the standard toolbar. Similar method, if you want to remove this macro from the standard toolbars, again you have to go in the tools menu and click on customize and then deselect it, this checkbox, deselect this checkbox and then click on OK. Once you click on OK, this macro is removed from the standard toolbar. Now next topic is how we use macro as a function. For this, I have prepared one PPT for you. Use a macro as a function. In MS Excel, or you can say in spreadsheet, we have lots of built-in functions like sum function, max function, min function, average function. So these functions are used to perform different tasks. Sum function is used to perform addition. Similarly, max function is used to find maximum value from the selected record, selected rows or selected columns. Is it clear? So here we can create our own function, that is called user defined function, with the help of this concept. So we use macro as a function. So here I have prepared one code for this. In that I want to perform addition of two numbers. So that's why its function name is sum max. Let's see with the help of example. For this concept, I have created one new file. Its name is macro as function. So file name I have already saved this file, macro as function. Now in this file, I want to add two numbers like 80 and 20. I want to get its sum here or somewhere else. So for that, what we have to do, go to the tools menu and then select macros option. Here you don't select record macro. Record here, in this time I don't want to record any macro because I want to create macro as a function. Means how we will use macro as a function. For that we don't select this one, record macro. Now run macro. If this time I have not record macro, so how we can run this macro? So what we have to do, we have to select this organize macro option and then select open office basic. Once you click here, you will get your file name. It's called macro as function. In that standard folder automatically appear. Here I want to create macro. So macro name, what is the macro name? I don't know. What is the name of the macro? I don't know. So what we have to do? Select this module 1 and then click on edit. Once you click on the edit, you will see there is a main. Main is appeared in every file, because we know that without the main our program will not execute, our function will not execute, our macro will not execute. So it is required in every file. So main is compulsory. Here I want to perform this task, so I have already prepared a function. So copy this function from here and paste this function in your file. Here you have to paste this file. Now see, now see the meaning of this. Here I have created a function, its name is sumMac, means sum macro. Dim command is used to declare variable. So here I have declared one variable, its name is the sum. Its type is double, means it will store double type of value in it. Now O sheet means is a variable and it represents an active sheet. Then O cell 1, O cell 2 means these are the two variables which store the value of two different cells. Then O sheet means it will represent active sheet. So this is the code for that. This component dot current controller dot active sheet, and then O cell 1 equals to O sheet. O sheet means active sheet. So this time my sheet number 1 is active. So O sheet means we are working in this sheet number 1, means this is the active sheet. Then get cell by position 0, 1. What is the meaning of this 0 and 1? Here, whenever you have to write name of the cell, so always column name will come first and then row number, like A1, A2, A3 like this. So here this 0 represent the column name. So column or row always start from 0, 0 index. So 0 is the index number. So 0 means column number A, column name A, and 1 means second row, because row is also start from 0. If we are writing like 0, 0, that means A1 means first row, first column. But here I have written 0, 1. That means 0 means column number A and 1 means column number 2. That means A2. Similarly, 0, 2 means column name A and row is 3. So that means A3. So it will get the value from A2 and A3. The value of A2 is stored in cell O, cell 1, and the value of A3 is stored in cell number 2, O cell 2. Then the sum equals to O cell 1 dot get value. Whatever value is there, it will get, and the whatever value is given in the cell number 2 is A3 cell, it will get here, and then find the total and store this total in the variable the sum, and then the sum value is returned in sumMac function. So through this function, it will return its value. After that, you have to save your code and then write your function which you have created just now. You know very well, every function, every formula starts with the equal sign. So first of all, you have to write equal, then sum, and its name is sumMac. Open bracket and close bracket. That means this is the function. Then press enter key. Once you press enter key, you will get the sum of these two numbers like A2 and A3. The value of A2 is 80. Add with the value of A3, that is 20. So 80 plus 20 is equals to 100. So this is the use of this function. Clear? Now I have one more example. This example is based on the default value. Sometimes suppose that you want to find the area of circle. For that time you need the value of pi. So what you have to do? You have to fix the value of pi, because its value is constant like 3.14. Similar types of programs, similar types of functions we have to create with the help of this example. So see this, here I have created a function, its name is sum5. Name you write according to your choice. It is a user defined function. Then dim b as integer, c as integer. It means b and c are the two integer variable. The value of b is 10 and the value of c is 20. Whatever the value of b and c is given, it will add here and store in the variable number 5. That means number 5 is returned whenever this function is called. See this example in the spreadsheet. Copy this function and then you have to go here and create another function. Now paste this value. Value is pasted. After that, click on this button. Now save button. Its function name is number 5. Open your C and then anywhere you have to write this function number, number number 5 5 and then open bracket, close bracket, and then press enter key. You will get result 30. There is no need of value because values are already given in the function. The value of b is 20 and value of b is 10 and value of b is 20. I think like this. So b is 10 and c equals to 20 and the sum is given. Is it okay?